Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a 2013 Ford Focus SE, stock number X141A. 84,000 miles on this one owner. Local trade, clean auto check history report, ruby, red metallic in color. Focus is a very safe vehicle, 5-star overall government crash rating, seats 5, cloth interior. Nice size trunk, wide opening makes it easy to get things in and out. And very clean, no dents or dings in the body. This SE has keyless entry, power windows, locks, mirrors. With driver information system, controlled by buttons on the steering wheel, cruise control, steering wheel mounted audio controls, easy to operate radio and CD player. It's also satellite radio capable, Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect other Bluetooth enabled devices, great for wireless music streaming, heating and air conditioning, automatic transmission, storage in the armrest with USB and auxiliary input, allowing you to connect mobile media devices, and a large glove box with the owner's materials inside. Under the hood, this Focus has a 2-liter, 4-cylinder, 160 horsepower, and just as clean under the hood as the rest of the car. Excellent fuel economy. EPA average 27 miles to the gallon and the city average of 38 on the highway, and ready to go with new tires. For more information on this Focus, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.